flies above. Kevin Ciabaldi, the controls of the Douglas 84 Skyraider of the Military Aviation Museum, Virginia Beach, Virginia. And Paul Kisman, the F4U Corsair. Robert Hampton Gray, Goodyear FG1D Corsair from Vintage Wings Canada, to be precise. And today, flying in memory of Hugh Possum, World War II vet, who attended ground school just a few weeks ago, and who continued to, of course, pass on his knowledge of flying a Corsair. So many of our World War II veterans now, the average age into their 90s, and some of them with us here this weekend. And I'll be bringing this up from time to time. And as the aircraft fly by, folks, let's make sure our veterans know that we'll never forget in our thanks. The Vintage Wings of Canada, painted in the markings of Canadian Lieutenant Robert Hampton Gray, who was awarded the Victoria Cross